Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you will start with the first method, pretty quick one. Just open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers assigned to your both SIM cards and also serial number are located here. Click on OK to go back. And now we will open both numbers through the settings. So let's open the list of all applications at first, then explore the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select About Phone. And here you can find both IMEI numbers and also serial numbers assigned to your Galaxy A51. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.